What's up, guys? It's March 7th, 2025. Hope you're having a good day. We had this breakout was pretty nice, and then so we had a bullish breakout that ended up being a reversal. We sold off and rallied for the rest of the day. We made a new high pretty late in the day. 50% of the time, the market will race to support resistance and reverse, and that happened here. Race to support resistance, sold off, and oh, here we go, sold off into support and rallied. So yeah, that can happen. That happens 50% of the time. Daily chart's looking interesting because we're trying to have multiple legs lower. So leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Or we can count trend line breaks and we have way more legs lower. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, trend line break. Actually, we don't have a trend line break after that. This is interesting. So we have a leg one, trend line break, leg two, trend line break. And these highs, none of these highs have been broken. So we're still in the leg. So this is the leg three. And you can see how the leg one has not a lot of overlap. Then the leg two started here. Oh, this is the leg one. Leg two starts here. Leg three is bigger than leg two, but there's more overlap, and we've been experiencing the rallies on the 5-minute. So yeah, we kind of have a broad bear channel, but it's more flat. This is the 15-minute chart with a daily EMA. Is this the 15-minute? Yeah. Today's price action, we have where's the first bar? Right around here. So here's that morning rally. Yesterday we were in chain range for most of the day, and today gapped down to yesterday's low, and then we rallied to yesterday's high, and we sold off. Kind of like a leg one, pull back leg two, wedge top, bear flag here. So leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, wedge bottom. A lot of bad selling, bad follow through down here. Good bear bar, but bad follow through. Goes sideways. Then we have a bull bar that's reversing. Like it's good follow through. This bar, bulls made 1R fairly quickly, and if you look, most of these bull bars, this is not a good bull bar, but it's not a good bull bar that makes 1R, sells off. Bulls can't make 1R. Okay, bulls buy the low here, so they can make 1R of this like that. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. But when you short the bear bars, they're making 1R fairly quickly. 1R, 1R. Okay, they get trapped, and then 1R, 1R, 1R. And then finally here, this is a nice looking candle where bulls can, they hold for 3 legs. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Sideways price action. Trading right around below yesterday's swing high. Bar one, so we have a gap down. Bar one is a strong bull bar, so if you're looking for bear continuation, bar one is already putting a dampener on that. Sells off, rallies. Bar one is a form of a breakout bar because it's a failed breakout here. So bar one is breaking out because it's a reversal. Bar two is testing the 75%. We're in a trade range, so 75% pullbacks are more common. Here we can see a 75% pullback with bar two. Bar two is also the first pullback after a good breakout. So leg one, pullback, leg two. And then within these legs, bar three has a bad close. It's not closing on its high, but it's closing above the EMA, so that's good. Bar four is another good bull bar, closing on its high, but it's not breaking out far past bar three. Bar five is bad follow through, and it's not breaking out past bar four's high. So now the bullish momentum is slowing down. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, possible leg four. I think there's 3 pushes here. You can count it. Push one, pull back, push two, pull back, push three, or push one, pull back, push two. Excuse me. Like push one, pull back, push two, pull back, push three. Nonetheless, it's a wedge chop. Bulls have tried 3 times. Bar 6, definitely putting a dampener on the bull trend. Market, what is the market cycle? Market cycle is breakout, channel, trading range. Bar 1 is a breakout. Bar 2 is that first opposite bar, so that starts the channel phase. Here we see 3 legs higher, which after the 3rd leg is more trading range price action, and we can see bar 6 confirming we are in trading range because this is not a good bar for the bulls for the trend. Bar 7 testing the breakout point above bar 2. It rallies. Bar 8 at follow through. Now bar 8 with the combination of 6, 7, and 8, it actually looks like a pullback for the bears. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, 9 and 10. 10 has a tail. 11 at this moment in time, I was a little bit more bullish. I didn't trade today. At this moment in time, I was watching the charts and then I got off. At this moment in time, I was a little more bullish because of this rally. But then you see bar 12, and we're like, okay, now we have to start respecting the bears because we're in a bear regime anyways. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, but possibly in the leg 3 for the bears. 13, 14, 15. 13 is a good breakout. Well, hold on. 13 looks like a good breakout with a big gap, but it's a third leg down, so this could be a climax gap that gets filled quickly. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, 15, 16 closes the gap. So I like 16 for a short around bar 9's low. I probably, if I was to take this, I might have been filled on 12, and I wouldn't have been stopped out, so I still would have made 1R pretty quick, actually. I also like 15 for a scalp for the bulls, so you would also be able to scalp that because the bulls who bought bar 15 made 1 to 2R very quickly on 16. So when they have their orders down here, they're gonna, it's a breakout point. There's break even stops here. Excuse me. So we have 3 legs lower, 16, 17, push the market in a trading range, and then we have 17 through 22. 17 bad follow through for 16 if you're looking for a continuation. 18. Now this is starting to look like a deep pullback for this leg. Still the A, B, C, D concept, still a second leg concept. Everything I do will be talked about in the market cycle and leg counts. If you guys want to learn more about that, there'll be detailed videos in the membership section, and I'll be releasing that video tomorrow. The first price action basics one, so you guys can get a taste of it. Whew. Leg 1, bar 20, first pullback here. Bar 21, follow through. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, deep pullback. Excuse me. I did not mean to say deep pullback. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, new leg with 23 or 22, 23, 24. Multiple gaps here. And then we have a trickle down, just selling for about 20, 25 minutes. And then all these bear bars have bad closes. Tail on 29, 30. First bull bar after 1, 2, 3, 4. After 9 bear bars. However, 27 has bullish tendencies, 29 has bullish tendencies, and then 30 is a bull bar that rallies and they make 1R, but it has a bad close. And then we see 2 pushes lower, so you could say, like a push 1, pull back, push 2, pull back, push 3. It's a wedge bottom. 35, good bear bar. Excuse me, good bull bar closing on its high. I think you gotta get ash shorts, or at least think about getting ash shorts around 30. 30 is the first reversal after 9 bars, so you should go 1 tick below 29. The market doesn't travel 1 tick below 29, so that already tells you something's wrong. If this was such a strong leg, the market would have at least went 1 tick below. Bears couldn't get a leg 2. Bears, the minimum objective for a leg 2 would be 1 tick past here. In this situation, they tried twice to get that, but it failed, creating a wedge bottom. So 3 types of trend line breaks. This is the best situation, new low for the bears. Equal lows, okay, that's fair. That would create a double bottom. In this case, that's a higher low, which is the worst for the bears, best for the bulls with 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Strong bull leg breaking out. I think Sean to get its own second leg. 42 is that first reversal. There's also 3 legs here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Trading range behavior 42, testing that here. Big bear bar, damaging the bull trend. However, it's the first reversal after strong bull bars with multiple gaps. 43 rallies. 2 bar reversal, bad follow through 44. 45 sells off and rallies, trapping bears that shorted 44, thinking it would sell off. They thought this could be the high of the trading range. However, once they start to get trapped, they're forced to buy back shorts. This becomes nothing but a bull flag. It's a funny looking bull flag, not the best looking bull flag, but it gets the breakout. 49.50. 49.50 here. 50 produces a gap. 51 a shallow pullback. Kind of like this context here, but this context was a fresh breakout. 51 is happening after many bars. However, there's still momentum on their side. So this could be considered a first reversal for the 3 bars, 48, 49, 50. First reversal testing 50% level bar 50, and that rallies for 4 bars. These 4 bars have a lot of overlap, so it's not the strongest. Could be warning that a trade range price action is coming soon. What do I mean by a lot of overlap? Well, 52's high. 52 closes below its midpoint. 53 barely closes above the high. 54 doesn't close above 53's high, and it has a deep pullback. And then 55 closes below its midpoint. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. That being 3 legs, and we have this bear bar, bar 42. I would think about producing a position for taking profits. We've also have 3 legs higher. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. This is also its own 3 legs. You could say, so reversal is a breakout. So you could say this is breaking out here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. 57, 58, 59. Really nice bull bars, but they're happening late in the trend, and there's a gap here. 59 being one of the nicest looking bull bars. This bar looks like this bar. These 2 bars look like these 2 bars, and they're all somewhat climactic. 60, bad follow through after a really good looking bull bar. Market goes more sideways for about 15 minutes. You have time to, if you buy the high here, you have, I don't know how long the market hesitated up here, but each candle rallied almost to your entry if you bought this. So you had time to hit out for a very small loss. Even by the end of the day, you could buy more lower. Pad follow through 60, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, leg 1, pull back leg 2, 67 goes 1 tick below this bar. Now we're going to a trading range. We're trading at a new high late in the day. We're on the EMAs. The EMAs are trying to go parallel. When EMAs go parallel, that's trading range behavior. Bar 75 is testing the breakout point here. I actually like that trade for a limit order set right around here. I don't know if I would like the approach, but 74, pull back 75. But this led to a 3-bar micro channel, which is what I do like with a gap pullback. Not enough bars in the day to see if they made it. Let's see. No, yeah, it went sideways. So go over the gaps. I have 2 bull gaps right in the open, so we have a gap down that gets closed. So now training range behavior, because gaps get closed in training ranges, gap down gets closed within 4 bars. These bars are climactic. These gaps get closed. Now we have gaps that are staying. This gap stays open for quite some time. However, the big gap gets closed within 3 bars, so that's not good. Sells off for about 4 or 5, about 4 gaps down here. These gaps start to get tested fairly quickly, and they close. Now we have bull gaps staying open here, here, and here. Rally 42 closes this gap. 42 wants the bears want that to collapse, but it doesn't. Testing the breakout point, testing the low of 39. Rallies, we have a bear gap that gets closed within 15 minutes. Then we have a few bull gaps here and here. This gap gets tested. It might get closed actually. So it gets tested twice, so maybe 3 times at 51. Not the strongest gap because 1, 2, and then 55 went below. Rally. Measured moves. One-to-ones met quickly with bar 1. 6 is a breakout, but it's not good follow through. And I really wouldn't go for, if I'm day trading, I'm not going to trade bar 1. I would wait for a breakout point. Maybe I'd have a limit order set above bar 2, and I'd go for 1-to-1 like that. And that trade we met right there with bar 7. But I'm just showing you like breakout measured moves and here's 3 bars. I would like to take that for 1-to-1, put it on top of the pullback. Met quickly, and I know you guys are looking at this juicy leg with hot sauce on it. Put it back up here. Met quickly. 1 second here, guys. And then we get a weak 3 bars here. Put it top of the pullback. That's met fairly quickly. This is a tough one because, you know, everyone wants the market to collapse, but there's a lot of overlap. So you could say you catch the breakout bar here. That's 20, 23, 24 is breaking out of this range. So maybe you go from 1-to-1. Market rallies. Now we have a new trading range with the low of 29 and the high of 31. That's a breakout with 37, and that's just to keep us in the right direction. That's met really quickly. For trading 3 bars, I would do these 3 bars because the first pullback is 38. You could say the 42 is the first pullback because it's the first trend line break, but I'm reading that tail as opposite side trading. Excuse me. So you see the first pullback, 38, you buy that and you make 1-to-1 very quick. See this bar here goes 1-to-1. There's a lot of moves today. That was met. So if it's a pullback, I go for a measured move and I put it at the bottom of the pullback. If it's a breakout, I just pull the move. This is a bad, I think this is a bad trade to take. It's late, but it was barely met if you bought the close. And then that's a TTR. So hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are learning. If you want to learn more stuff, join the channel membership. It's going to be fun. We start posting videos. If you learn something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. Have a good weekend. I'm going to have a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys in Discord. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I'll talk to you guys on this weekend because I'll be posting some videos. Thank you. Bye.